Welcome back everyone. This is Moni Singh here with same chapter, that is windstorm and cyclone, and today we are going to discuss about air. So first one is air expands on heating and contracts on cooling. This one we already have discussed during sea breeze and land breeze. Okay, so sea breeze land breeze में क्या होता है? During daytime the land heats up faster and the molecules of air expands due to the heating up. The expansion, due to expansion, what happens? Its volume increases, so it becomes lighter, and light air moves upward direction, rises up. Okay, so this is how it happens during daytime, and during night time the air which is above land, that cools down faster. Okay, so due to the cooling down, its volume decreases because air molecules contracts. Okay, and due to decreasing volume, it becomes heavy and finally settle down towards the bottom, and the air move towards the sea. So this is what this shows, that air expand on heating during daytime and it contracts on cooling during night time. Okay, nearby the land. Now let us check the another one. Warm air is lighter than cool air. As we discussed in first one, warm air becomes light in weight and finally moves upward, and cold air that becomes heavy in weight and finally settles towards the bottom. So in this one, this diagram, there are two paper bags and cold air is there. Okay, imported paper bags. And now in this one, same paper bags are there, and we have taken a candle, lighted candle. So due to this candle, the air which is surrounding this bag becomes hot. यहाँ के आसपास की हवा क्या हो जाएगी? गर्म. And due to the hot air, the overall volume of air will increase, and due to the increasing the volume, it becomes light in weight, and light weight चीजें क्या होती है? ऊपर जाती है, rises up. So this bag will move towards, like this bag will be light in weight, but at the same time the air which is nearby this bag, that is cold, and cold air, due to the cold air, the volume of air will decrease and it becomes heavy. So due to the its like जो air है वो यहाँ का heavy होगा, and contraction due to decrease in volume, finally it will come towards the downward. So this shows that hot air rises up lighter and cold air settles down and it is heavy. Okay, so we can discuss all these things through this. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Okay, so mass, whatever the mass, जो भी air का mass यहाँ है या यहाँ, that is same, amount of air is same. Okay, but the density depends upon volume. So hot air volume increasing, so due to increase in volume, density will decrease, and in this case cold air volume decreasing. So due to decrease in volume, the density will increase. So density increasing, that is why it is जो air है वो heavy होके नीचे settle down होगा, and due to density decreasing, जो air है that will like light in weight, और वो ऊपर जाएगा, it will rise up. So this is how the characteristic of air. Now next one is high speed wind causes reduced pressure, or high speed wind decreases air pressure. So how does it happen? कहीं पे भी जब हवा आती है, तेज हवा, तो due to heavy high speed wind, when that wind will move from a particular place, तो वहाँ पे ठीक उस air के जाने के बाद there is low pressure created, and due to the low pressure created over a certain area, जो nearby air है, that will move quickly, rush quickly to fill that gap, to fill that low pressure. It will try to equalize the pressure difference. Okay, so this is also characteristic of wind. So look at this example. This is a hut, and in this hut ऊपर से काफ़ी high speed wind is blowing over the hut, and at the same time inside the जो hut के अंदर है there is also air. So when high speed wind is moving over the hut, roof of the hut, due to that air low pressure is created over here. Okay, अब यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? Low pressure, and air inside house will be high pressure. So there is pressure difference. So what will happen next? So the air which is is inside this heart, it will try to move up quickly and fill the gap. It will try to equalize the pressure difference को equal करना चाहेगा. Okay, so it will push the roof of the hut, and finally due to which it will like जो roof है वो हट जाएगा हट से, and pressure equalize in that way it will try to equalize the pressure. So high air pressure below the roof exerts large force to lift up the roof. It will try to lift up the roof. So this is how जब भी कहीं पे हाई स्पीड विंड आती है तो वी कैन सी बहुत तेज़ी से हवा चल रही है. सो मैनी थिंग्स वी कैन सी कि इट इज़ लाइक ब्लोन अप, वो सारी लिफ्ट हो रही है, उड़ रही है. So this is how like high speed wind creates low pressure, and like cyclone and tornado and such kind of storms occurs on our earth. During this summer desert में sandstone काफ़ी ज़्यादा होता है because of hot air. गर्म हवा ऊपर जाएगी, pressure difference will be created, and there will be sandstorm. Why? Because the nearby air will rush to fill that gap to equalize the air pressure. Okay, so like that also nearby the sea में cyclones इसी तरीके से आते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ पे such kind of pressure difference occurs, and finally cyclone occurs. So we'll discuss about all these things in next episode. Till that, I guess you understood the topic. Now you look at the screen.